Good evening, all. Let's see some light then. I've I got my oil flow in again in my boiler. I ran dry, so I put the end up on bricks, and I'm getting. I'm going to. My friend is going to pick me up in the next day or two to get 50 litres. I got 2 plastic 25-litre plastic containers in the garage, and I'm going to be right. Let's get on with this. Do you want to see it firing up? It's like a jet engine. Kerosene. Yeah, that's what heating oil is, and it sounds like a bloody jet engine. Right then, let's go for it. Right. Sound effects. There he goes. That's my jet engine there. I had to take this off. I fucking suck and blow. Because the oil was so cold it wasn't coming. I put the end on bricks. The oil tank now, it's a green oil tank. It's normally there, right? But now it's there. I could have gone further. I thought, no, I bet not. Not that high. No, I spoke to my friend earlier on. He's got a van. And he said, when you go in somewhere next, take me with you. Oh yeah, I got to do it in a few days. I'm a bit stuck for money at the moment. But 50, and I go to the oil depot, which is, there's a few of them around here, heating oil depot, and you get a good price there. Well, if you go there and pick it up, no delivery, you'll get it at the normal price, which I think now is about just over 80 pence a litre. So that'll cost me 80 quid. That'll get me over this cold snap. Definitely. Oof, it'll be heavy though. Yeah, but I got what do you call them? Conical things. Filters? Filters? What the hell what do they call them? Can't remember. Filter barrels? No, filter. Yeah, filters. Yeah, filter in. Like filter paper from chemistry. Right. So that's going. What I do is I put it on when I'm in the house, and I think, ooh. And as I said, right, line that up and then give it a tap and see where the black arrow underneath goes. Shit, it went down. So, well, they say rain. This weather, it might be snow, isn't it? Around about 8 o'clock. Off of that. Up the castle hill. Wooden castle hill. Yeah. And, I don't know if you can see this. Let's put the light on. Copper oil tank. Nice and warm. And clothes. Full of my hand-washed clothes. Right. Aye. So I go from hand to mouth, hand to heating. Yeah. I had to bloody bleed it out. First of all, I was sucking it and I got a load in my mouth, heating on. Hang on. Right, I'll blow. I could hear it coming. Yeah, I might have picked up a bit of sludge from the bottom and blocked the exit from the oil tank. Anyway, oof, I got a bit of beer. Oh, shall I? San Miguel Especial. Let's have a taste. Or are you, bugger? I've got all the tools here. Oh my God, what's happening? That's for, oh, I can use that. Oh, it's a cheap one. As you can see, the corkscrew is fucked. It's not, oh, hang on. Oh, yes. I don't know if you can see that. Rubbish steel. The bottom of it is blinking twisted. Anyway, what am I doing now? Down, get down. Get down, my son. That's the tool I need. There you go. That's it. I missed the bin again. Right then. This is a pint and a quarter of San Miguel, St. Michael. God bless you, my son. God bless you, Jesus, 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 Jesus. Still certainly warm me up. It's not that strong. Oh, I'm back in Barcelona again. Well, Blanes, in fact, which is about 50 miles north of Barcelona in Catalonia. I still can remember talking to this girl from a deal. Hello, Castile. She looked at me. Don't call me Castile. Catalonia or whatever you do. If you're not into Spanish in the politics, you wouldn't have an idea what I'm talking about. Right then, I'll make this 9 minutes. Right, and so I'm keeping warm for winter. I'm very, what do you call it? Oh, I've forgotten that word now. Gas. It's a trouble with you. European bottled lagers, too much gas in it. I'm very, oh fuck, I can't remember the word. Resourceful, that's it, resourceful. I've got a bit of dyslexia, so right, all the best, all. Happy Thursday evenings.